Hello friends, from AIDSO Karnataka, we demand the postponement of JEE and NEET exam, which the government has decided to conduct in the month of September, first week and September 13th and September end. We are demanding this because there is rise in corona cases. They postponed the exam in the month of July when the cases were only 22,000. Now it is 55,000 per day and they have to postpone it. More so, there is no proper facilities, proper health facilities. There is utter failure in the administration and people are suffering. They don't get beds, they don't get ambulances, and when such is the condition, such exams will put lakhs of students' lives to threat. And this we don't agree, which we oppose vehemently. It is the life of 25 lakh students, and along with them every parent will accompany, at least a guardian will accompany them. It will come up to 50 lakhs people's lives, and more so how they will write the exam with lot of pressure, with lot of stress, with lot of trauma which they don't deserve. They have to write exam because they have prepared for months together, and for this exam they have been waiting, and to write this exam in such a condition is not possible, and it is not needed also, because the IITs themselves have told the new session will start from January 2021. If that is the case, then the exams must be postponed, and it can be easily postponed. There is no hurry. Also, there is lot of problems if they conduct in the month of September. That is, students will have to travel from one state to another. They will have to depend on public transport, which is not safe in present situation, and every student cannot afford for a private vehicle, a cab. Now, in such situation, the government is not listening to us. It means to say they have done this decision undemocratically, unilaterally, without consulting anybody, without consulting any concerned person. That is, they have not consulted any student, they are not listening to parents, they are not listening to the lecturers, nor anybody who is concerned. It means to say they are anti-people, anti-student. Let us believe it firmly and stand united. Here, the condition is not good. People are suffering out, and there is no health facility, and this reason is more than enough for us to say that we don't want to write the exam right now. We are not demanding for cancellation of exam. We are demanding for postponement of exam, which is a justified demand, and every student is protesting against it. Today, thousands of students have burned their admit cards. It means to say they don't want to write exam in the month of September, and the government must postpone it. And if that has to happen, if we have to make the deaf government hear, we all have to stand united, firmly. All education loving people, parents, teachers, lecturers, students must stand united and put pressure on the government. And we are with you. AIDSO Karnataka is with you. AIDSO All India organization is with you. Let us all fight for the justified demand, stand united, and demand for the postponement of both JEE and NEET examination. Long live students movement, long live AIDSO. Stay united till we achieve our demand. Thank you.